We are going to compare the fractions 1/2 and 2/3 using our alligators. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to create a common denominator for these fractions because they are not the same. And to do this, we are going to write our multiples for each denominator. So our multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And we can do that by just counting by twos or doing 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, so on and so forth. Our multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And I see that 6 is the same for each of them, so that is going to be our new common denominator. Now I will need to write an equivalent fraction to those fractions with a denominator of 6. So 1/2 is going to equal something sixth. I know that I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same exact thing to create an equivalent fraction. So 2 times 3 is going to give me 6. So I need to multiply our numerator by 3 as well. 1 times 3 is 3. So 1/2 equals 3/6. Now 2/3 is going to equal some fraction that has a denominator of 6 as well. What number can I multiply 3 by to get to 6? That is times 2, and I'm going to multiply my numerator by 2 as well to give me an equivalent fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, so 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. So I have my two fractions, 3/6 and 4/6, and now I'm going to need to compare those fractions. So whenever my denominators are the same, I know that I look at the numerators, and whatever numerator is bigger is going to be the larger fraction. So 4/6 is larger than 3/6. I can also use a model to prove that I'm right, to check my answer. So I have 2/3 over here, which is one of the fractions that I started with, which was 4/6. And I also have 1/2 over here, which is one of the fractions that I started out with over here that turned into 3/6. And I see that 2/3 is larger than my 1/2, which goes along with this saying 4/6 is larger than 3/6. So the 2/3 goes along with 4/6. The 1/2 goes along with 3/6. And there are my models.